Wix Art Store tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a store special for selling your artworks and illustrations. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you're going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over wix.com. Sign in or sign up for an account and you are going to see the site's dashboard if you are going to be familiar with using Wix. And if you are not going to be familiar, you are going to get this page instead. So that means that you are going to be a new user. So here we are going to see two choices. Either we are going to try the Wix Studio Editor, which is going to be a more professional way to create websites, or we can go ahead and use the normal create on Wix Editor, as you can see, choice. So we are going to head over here, Wix Editor, and then we are going to follow up the next steps. Here, if you have the site's dashboard, you can go ahead and click on create a new site, and then you are going to be good to go. Now, Wix is going to give you here the choice of using Wix ADI, which is going to be the abbreviation of Artificial Design Intelligence. And that means that you are going to get some questions. And based on these questions, you're going to here, let's say, resume or conclude a prompt to Wix to create your website. And this is going to be very easy and awesome. So here you're going to either start the chat by here getting some question answered, or you can go ahead and set it up without the chat. So in case I'm going to set it up without the chat, I'm going to skip this part and get here to the type of the website. So we are going basically to type in here art store. So we are going to see here the art store website or suggestion that we have. For example, I'm going to select the first one. Then we are going to click on continue. But here, before I click on the button, I'm going to let you know that this type of the website is going to be the base that the Wix, you are going to get the recommended themes or templates for the website that you are going to create. Basically, if you are going to go with the theme of art store, you're going to see only the suggested art store templates in Wix. You can go ahead and change that if you're going to see the window that you're going to choose the templates. I'm going to click on continue. I have put this note or this, or I took your attention because here later, maybe some of you will be confused about the websites. Maybe they are not going to be current and also not going with the way that they you have thought it was. Now, here we have the Wix dashboard loaded. So what are we going to do is to name our, let's say here, store. So obviously it has detected that it is not a normal website. It is going to be a store to sell products or artworks. So we are going to type in here Jack's, for example, art works. Just like that. This is just a random name. So we are going to click on continue. Then we are going to have the online store. So it is going to ask you if you have already a online store or not. If you're going to say, yes, I am already selling the online, so you're going to have the choice to move your existing store to Wix. That means that you are going to have your, let's say, products or previous products from different platforms uploaded as a CSV file into the Wix store. And if you are going to say, I'm just starting out, you're going to get nothing. So you're going to create everything manually. I'm going to click on continue. Now we are going to see the Wix products that are going to be sold in our store. So basically, if for the artwork or the art stores are going to be generally using or selling the physical products, like, I don't know here, the, let's say, portraits or something like that. Digital products, of course, print on demand products, that is going to be art store. Yes, maybe you are going to print some t-shirts, sweaters, and etc. Dropshipping products, it is going to be maybe the case if you found a great source. And the service, for example, here, print on demand, or not print on demand, but here the, let's say, courses, classes, and appointments. So we are going to select all of these because it is going to be very necessary to have them all. Click on continue, and then you are going to select the sales channels. So once you are here, you're going to set up how you are going to offer your products. Obviously, it is going to be here online store. This is mandatory. So in person, if you are going to sell in retail stores, go ahead and check this box or tick it. Marketplaces and social media, I'm going to tick it because we are going to use maybe Amazon, eBay, Instagram, and TikTok, Facebook to promote our products, and my mobile app to sell products and manage the store on the go. This is something mandatory also. I'm going to click on continue, and here we have created our dashboard. Now I'm going to click on continue to the dashboard. Once you are here, you are going to see all the components for the dashboard. Basically, this is the control center or the control panel for your website. You can add the products from here, from the catalog. You can check or set up some integration or apps that are going to help you manage your sellings or manage your products or whatever. And you can control the sales, see the orders, see the payments, and create some gift card sales, and etc. Also, for the booking, we have selected that we are going to provide some services. That means that the Wix is going to present for you the booking calendar service. So you're going to create some courses, have a one-on-one meetings, and etc. And for getting paid, it is going to be here a variety of services. Now, aside from that, I'm not going to use anything from here, but I'm going to notify you that we need to set up the payment methods by clicking on settings. From here, we are going to see the everything from shipping, delivery, fulfillment, and accept payments. So we are going to click on accept payments, and then we are going to set up the country that we are in. For example, I'm going to type in France. Click on choose, and depending on the region, you're going to see the payment methods that are available in that country. So we have Stripe, which is well known as a payment gateway, PayPal, which is going to be most famous platform for payments, and manual payments like here cash or check or something like that. So if you want to see more payment methods, you can go ahead and click on third parties or more payment options like Square, GiroPay, Ideal, Alipay, and tons of choices. And these choices are going to vary from the location that you are in. So aside from that, let's say that everything is set for the payment methods, which is going to be mandatory to have it. We're going to click on design site, and then from clicking on here, you're going to get this window. So you are going to select one of the two options that you have. Either you are going to generate a website with the AI, that means we have Wix ADI turn. So also we have the choice to create it or customize a template. So I am going to click on pick up a template. And then if we do not like the templates, we are going to click on generate design. So here we have the recommended or the suggested templates that we can find on Wix. So the two first ones are going to be the best matches for you. So as you can see here, they are not quite precise or quite the subject that we want, but maybe we can see something else. So art photographer, art store. This is the art store, or these two are going to be these three, I think, that are going to be the related ones. So the two first one or the six first one are not going to be on the, let's say here, the domain at all. So it doesn't matter. This is what I told you before. So it is going to be generating or having here maybe some coherent or not coherent subjects. Now, if you want to select one of the websites or templates in here, you can go ahead and select the website, click on edit, or you can view it. If you're going to click on view, you're going to get here the preset or pre-made version of that website. You can check the mobile version, also the desktop version. Check up the contact page, the shop page, all the pages that are available in this and everything. So I'm not going here to use this one because I do not like it that much. But we have here a lot of templates if you want to use. I'm going to ignore these. So we are going basically here to be back to our choice. You can be back, click on the go back here. And then you're going to see or choose generate a design. So let's try and generate a design. Basically, here it is going to base the research or the generation with the type of the website that you have chosen. So it is going to have here everything for the site brief. As you can see, it is going to be transcripted. So basically, you are going to see the resume of the generated website. Based on the site profile, here your art store site will have a site structure always, which includes only one page, and that is going to be the homepage. So you can go ahead and tweak or put some prompt or modification to the design by clicking on the different structures that are underlined with the blue. So we are going to see size structure. You can go ahead and click on here. It will show you a prompt and the changes that you can apply. For example, here the site profile, you can change the site name, add a logo, change the site type, also the site description, and etc. And for the site description, it is going to be right there integrated in the site structure. For the theme, you can go ahead and put some, let's say here, an inside modification for the theme. So you can go ahead and put a prompt, but I'm not going to use that. And for the layout, you can go ahead also and put a prompt and put, for example, a cleaner. Here we have some examples like more text, clean or cleaner layout, and etc. So you can generate a new layout, for example, by that clicking on here or putting some prompt. And based on that, Wix is going to choose for you the layout. I can see that the let's say here it is not going to be the layout, but the site structure for the header or the menu is going to have something, or the elements are going to be here in facing each other. So we are going to wait for this tweak to see. So here we have demanded the AI to generate a new layout, and I think that actually this is better. So you are going to not see here the menu, but you are going to get here the menu as a button. So it is not going to be confusing. So you can go ahead and use these tweakings or these prompt to modify your website. If you are satisfied with that website, click on continue with this design, and then you're going to click on continue to the editor. That is in case you have a domain or you want or you don't want to select or buy a domain from Wix. I'm going to click on continue here. It will load up all the elements that are related to the website. So we are going to give it a little bit of time until we see the website editor. So here we have the content loaded and we can clearly see everything for the website. So everything is well organized and well structured, and everything I am satisfied with. So you can go ahead and modify each one of the component of the website, like the sections, the headers, the text, the images, and etc. by just clicking on the element on the editing mode. And then you can go ahead and change the background, manage the columns, for example, like that, change the image, edit an image, or do whatever. So you can link the items if you want to take the or redirect the visitors to your website page or another page. And here we have the store. So basically you are going to see here the store, and you can go ahead and click on manage product. From here you can add a products in here. So you are going to click on products. I'm going to show you how we can add products. So either it is going to be from the website or from the dashboard itself. You click on new product. Here we have the choice to add a physical product or a digital file. So we are going to click on digital file, and then we are going to upload first the digital file. And here we have the product infos, like the name of the product, a ribbon for it, like new arrival or promotion or discount or something like that. Description, some image and videos if you have for illustration purpose, the price of it, and then the inventory, which is going to be not followed because here we have a digital product. And you can go ahead and set up the inventory of here if you want to count what did you sold and whatnot. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.